Good morning, students. I am again here, dear, and it is my fourth video of this chapter 11, compound interest, and third video of this week. Okay, students. Now, what is the today topic, dear? Now, the today topic is that today we will discuss that application of compound interest formula, and we will solve the question based on increasing or decreasing of quantity. Okay, so let's solve the question, dear. Now, application of compound interest. Okay. So, in each of the following situation, which I will write downside, we change the CI formula according to question. Okay. Now, first, if the population will increase, if this type of question is given, then we will use the same formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Then here the value will be changed. Here A will be increased population, P will be present population, R will be same rate of increase, not interest, and N will be time. Okay. To find population, if it is increasing, we will use this formula. Okay. Now, next, if the population is decreasing, then in that case, what we will do? So, if the population is decreasing, then A is equal to P into 1 minus R by the here formula will change. Instead of plus, we will write minus because it is decreasing. Okay. And here the value will change. Now A will be present population and P will be increased population and R will be the rate of in decrease and N will be time. Clear? Now, if depreciations in the value of machines etc. at a given rate, for any article, if the price is depreciating, decreasing, then in that case, how to find the present price? So this time we will use decreased value. Instead of A, we will write decreased value is equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 to the power n, because again decreasing now, so we will use minus. So here P will be present price, R will be rate of decrease, and N will be time. Okay. So these three types of topics and three questions we will solve on these topics here. Okay. So let's start the class. Let's solve the question here. Now, so students, let's see this question. Now, if the population of a town is 1,25,000, okay, it is the present population. It is increasing at the rate of 2% per annum. Okay, it is the rate of increase. Then what will be its population after 3 years? It is that after time it will be 3 years. So at first we will write what is given. Given that present population 1,25,000, we can say it be rate 2% and time will be 3 years. Now instead of A we will write population after 3 years. Okay, is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Now let's put the value. 1,25,000 into 1 plus 2 by 100 to the power cube. Okay, so now we can write 102 by 100. How? Because 1 downside we will write 1, then LCM of 100 will be 100, and then 1 in divided by 100 into 100 and plus 2 will be 102. Okay, and you can see here students that here it is a power 3, so we have to write 102 by 100 three times. So here we can write like this. Now here 20 cancel, 10 cancel. Now it is divisible by 5, so 525 ja and 5 2 ja. Okay, like this you can cut, or we can write like this. It means what? Again I am showing 20 cancel, done. Okay, then 525 ja 125 and 5 2 ja 10, 5 25 4 ja 100 and 25 1 ja 25. Okay, now 251 ja 251 1 ja. Okay, now again 2, then 51 and again 2 and again 51. It means 51 into 51 into 51. Let's multiply it and then we will check that our answer is correct or not. So 51 into 51. 1 1 ja 1, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 10, 0, carry 1, 5 5 ja 25, 126. Now we have to multiply 2601 by 51 again. So 2601 into 51. Let's multiply. First 2601, same. Now 5 1 ja 5, 0 5 ja 0, 6 5 ja 30, 0 carry 3, 5 2 ja 10 and 3, 13. After adding 1, yes, 1 matching, 5, yes, matching, 606, yes, matching, 202, yes, matching, 13. Yes, it means the population after 3 years will be what? It will be 1,32,651. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood. So let's see the next question. Now, so the next question is the population of a city was 1,20,000 in the year 2013. During next year, it increased by 6%, but due to an epidemic, it again decreased by 5% in the following year. First increasing, but second decreasing. So, what was its population in the year 2015? I said here in previous classes that if rate will be vary, it means rate of interest for first year will be different and rate of interest for the second year will be different, then we will use one formula. That formula we will use here. At first we will write what is given. Given population in 2013, it is given 1,20,000. R1 6%, R2 5% time 2 successive years. Okay. So now we can use the formula population in 2015 will be P into first increasing, so 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Second decreasing, so 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. Let's put the value 1,20,000, 1 plus 6 by 100. The time will be same 1 year for 2 years. Now it will be what? 1,20,000 into 106 by 100 and here 95 by 100. Okay, let's cancel it. So 2020 will cancel. Again 2020 will cancel. Then 12 into 106 into 95. Let's multiply 106 into 95. Sorry, 12 first. Directly we will multiply 6 is 72 and 12 1 is 12. 12 72. And now we have to multiply it with 95. Then it will be what? Let's write here. 6,360. Then here downside cancel. Now 9 2 ja 18, 8 carry 1. 7 9 ja 63, 164 carry 6. 9 2 ja 18, 6 24, 4 carry 2. 9 1 ja 9 2, 11. Then it will be what? It will be 12840. That will be the population in 2015. So hence we can say that the population in 2015 will be 1,20,840. That is 840 will be increased. Okay, finally. Now students, let's solve the last question. Now a machine is purchased for rupees 6,25,000 clearly, and its value depreciates. It means it is the P principal we can say, and its value decrease at the rate of 8% per annum. So what will be its value after 2 years? So at first we will write that present price is 6,25,000, rate 8%, time 2 years. It is the rate of depreciation. So we can use the formula minus 1 minus R by 100 to the power 8. Put the value 1 minus 8 by 100. It will be what? 1 here. Then LCM of 100, 1 and 100 will be 100. Then here we will write 100 minus 8. So it will be 92 by 100. Okay. 2 times. It means we will write it 2 times. Now 20 will cancel, 10 will cancel. Okay, then 5 2 ja 10, 525 ja 620, 125 ja, okay, 246 ja. Now you can multiply all three, so it will be 12592 at first, then 125 2 ja 250. Now 125 9 ja 5 9 ja 45, carry 4, 12 9 ja 108 and 4 112. So it will be 0 5 5 10 0, carry 1 5, here 11 500. Now let's multiply with 46, leave 2 0, only multiply with 150. 15 6 ja 90, 6 1 ja 6, 15 4 ja 60, 4 1 ja 4, 0 9 6 6 12 to carry 1 and 4 1 5. Now we will add 2 more 0, so it will be 5,29,000. That will be the price after 3 years, after decreasing. So hence we can say that the price of machine after 3 years will be 5,29,000. Okay students? So now students, you have to do some assignment work at your home. So in RS Sarwal book, you have to complete exercise 11B, question number 21 to 30, and you have to learn the concept of increasing or decreasing of quantity. Thank you dear.